Hi, I'm Patrick Montine of Erickson Foundation Solutions. I'm a foreman here for the DecoShield program. And what we do is we come in first and foremost and we clear away any obstructions and obtrusions on your pre-existing concrete, whether or not it be overgrown grass, mulch, landscaping, or just your children's toys. We clean off the concrete and then we use a series of pump sprayers to use an acid etch solution to dissolve the top layers and open up the pores of your concrete. That way it'll accept the material. While we're doing that, we have our team hunt your concrete with a grinder to blow open cracks and pores and chase them for future repair along the course of the job at the end of the project. Then after we acid etch, we go through and we power wash the concrete to remove any dust and debris and mineral deposits that the acid etch solution does not deal with. After letting the concrete dry, then it is time to stain the concrete. We have a litany of color solutions and options that the customer can choose from. We apply the solution on top of your concrete. Now, when most people hear coatings, they think of a thick layer that will be built up. That is not the case with our product. It is absorbed into the pores and the molecules of the concrete itself to deliver a true stain solution. After we go through and hit your concrete with a couple coats of the stain solution, then we will seal your concrete with another pump spray solution, and then it's time to rock and roll with the Nexus. We will lay your waterproofing Nexus across the course of the cracks in your ground that we previously cut and chased out, and use a series of colored quartz sand materials to blend it all into the series of the floor. And I think that's about it.